Hello everyone! Welcome back to another Revit tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to create a dormer roof in Revit step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to create a dormer roof that blends seamlessly with your main roof. Let's get started. First, let's create the walls for our building. Go to the Wall tool and draw the walls as needed. Make sure to set the top constraint to level 2 so that the walls extend to the correct height. Now, switch to level 2 view and let's create the main roof. Go to the Roof tool under the Architecture tab. In this example, I am using a generic 125mm roof type. Set the offset value. In this case, I set it to 1000mm. Adjust the view range to make sure you can see the top of the roof clearly. Now, let's create the dormer roof. Use the Roof tool again and draw a new roof in the center of the main roof. Before finalizing, uncheck Define Slope for the two side edges of the dormer roof. Set the base offset level to 1500mm so the dormer roof is positioned correctly. Switch to the 3D view for better visualization. Go to the Modify tab and select the Joints Unjoin Roof tool. First, pick the dormer roof, then select the main roof to join them together. Return to level 2 view. Use the Wall tool again to create the dormer walls. Set the base constraint to level 2 and the top constraint to unconnected. You can design the dormer walls however you like, or follow my example. Go back to 3D view and select the newly created dormer walls. Use the Attach Top/Base tool and select the dormer roof so that the walls connect properly. Now, let's create an opening in the main roof. Go to the Architecture tab and select the Dormer tool. Click on the edges of the dormer walls and the dormer roof to define the opening. Use the Trim tool to clean up and connect the boundary lines properly. Once done, check the 3D view to confirm that the dormer has created a hole in the main roof. Select the base wall of the dormer and use Attach Top/Base to connect it to the main roof. Finally, for the finishing touch, you can add a window to the dormer to enhance its appearance. And that's it. You've successfully created a dormer roof in Revit. With these steps, you can design dormer roofs in different styles and sizes to suit your projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Revit tutorials. See you in the next video.